Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to get Pokemon GO Spoofer for your iOS and Android devices totally free. As you can see here, I already entered the Pokemon Go and I'm now just walking randomly through the map. As you can see here, there are numerous different features and options which you can use, such as dark mode and so on. You can turn it on, turn it off, but nevertheless this game is working actually perfectly fine. So now I will be showing you also how you can actually teleport in this game. So what you need to do is actually you need to press here, then you need to press on the map. Let's do it one more time again. So you need to press on the map and then you will type in the search bar the location where you want to actually go. I will write down here New York. So when I write down New York, I'll just press on the map, hold it, and then press teleport, and I will be actually teleported to this other location. And as you can see, this Pokemon GO Spoofer is actually working perfectly fine. You can go around the map, catch a lot of Pokemons, or do whatever you want from the comfort of your own home. The first thing you need to do in order to get it, you firstly need to go to the abstract.net website. So this is the first step you need to do. Firstly, we'll go to this website, and as you can see here, there are numerous apps and games which you can actually install, but here we will actually click on Pokemon GO Spoofer, and then we will click download now. So this process will take a couple of moments, but then you will be redirected to another website. And since all these tutorials or games are completely free, you will just need to install two of our sponsored apps actually. So you will just need to select two of these apps which you will actually install on your phone and just follow the instructions of what you need to do in these games. And after that you will go back here to this website and you will just refresh the page, and then finally you'll be able to get the full explanation on how to get this Pokemon Go app on your iOS and your Android phone, as I already told you here. So it won't take you more than 2 minutes. For example, the first app you can install, which is also pretty good, is iHeartRadio. So you just need to open this app and actually download it, open it, and then you just need to stay for 30 seconds in this game. After that you will just need to install one more game from our sponsors, and after that you'll be actually finally redirected to the final tutorial with no hidden steps, where everything will be actually explained on how you can actually play and how you can actually install this Pokemon Go app on your device. So this will take us a couple of moments. So yeah, as I already told you, you will just need to open the app and stay in it. You can log in or sign up for free, or you can just wait for 30 seconds, not do anything, but just wait for 30 seconds to pass. And then when this is all done, as you can see here, yeah, this app is also working perfectly fine. You can stay in it or do whatever you want nevertheless. But after 30 seconds have passed, we will actually go back to the website where we have been redirected. So we will do it now. So we will go there. Let's see, just a bit more here. Maybe I can, let's see, maybe I can sign up or do some other stuff as well. Nevertheless, so now you'll just need to go back to this site where you've been redirected from abstract.net, and you will just need to install one more game and follow the instructions for this app. And after that, as I already promised you, you'll be redirected to the final tutorial with no hidden steps, where you'll be able actually to get Pokemon Go app on your phone, and you can delete iHeartRadio after that if you don't need it anymore. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like, share and subscribe this video if you liked it. As you can see here, I already entered the Pokemon Go a bit more to show you that it still works, it's totally legit. But anyway, thank you so much.